In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with TickTick using automation tools like Zapier and Make, also known as Integromat. These tools help bridge the gap between different apps, streamlining your workflow and making daily tasks a breeze. So whether you prefer using Zapier or Make, I've got you covered. Let's start with Zapier. First, head over to zapier.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, registration is quick and straightforward. Once you're in, click on Create Zap. This is where the magic begins as you set up automated workflows known as Zaps in Zapier's language. Your first step in creating the Zap is choosing TickTick as the trigger app. This means you'll be setting up an event in TickTick that will start the automation process. For example, you might select New Task Created as your trigger. This way, every time a new task is created in TickTick, it will prompt the automation to take action. Now that you've chosen a trigger, it's time to connect your TickTick account to Zapier. Zapier will guide you through the connection process, ensuring that the two apps can communicate effectively. Next, you'll choose Notion as your action app. Select an action that's meaningful for your workflow, like create database item, so that whenever the trigger fires, it automatically creates a new entry in Notion. You'll need to connect your Notion account and choose the specific database where you want the data to go. Once that's all set, it's time to map out how information flows between the apps. You'll map fields from TickTick, such as the task name or due date, to corresponding properties in Notion. Finally, click Test and Publish to ensure everything runs smoothly. If all is well, your automation is live. Now, if you prefer using Make, the process kicks off in a similar fashion. Go to make.com and log into your account. Again, if you're not yet registered, signing up is a breeze. Once you're logged in, click on Create a New Scenario. And this is Make's version of automations. We're going to set up TickTick as the first module and select an appropriate trigger, like Watch Tasks, which monitors and reacts to new tasks. After setting that up, add Notion as the next module. Choose an action, for instance, create a database item, to let Make know what you want to happen in Notion whenever the trigger occurs. Connecting both accounts is essential, and mapping fields between TickTick and Notion is what enables the seamless transfer of information. To make sure everything is configured correctly, click Run Once to test the scenario. If it passes the test, go ahead and schedule it to run automatically, ensuring your tasks keep flowing smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to integrate Notion and TickTick efficiently, tailoring them perfectly to your productivity needs.